you're a veteran in the grilling or smoking game, you're probably familiar with using a probe thermometer. But what if you had a thermometer that could tell you the exact temperature inside of your steak or chicken or whatever you're cooking? And what if that information could be relayed to your smartphone? Fortunately, such a thing does exist. So this is the MEATER. You can see the logo right there. This is the MEATER probe. This MEATER Plus probe was sent over to me by Action Labs. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and just give you my initial impressions of the design of this bad boy. But here is the MEATER thermometer itself. It's not your typical bog standard probe thermometer. Sticks right to the fridge. Well, initially I'm very impressed. This thing seems heavy duty. Of course, the proof is in the proverbial pudding. Of course, I'm not gonna test this in pudding. I'm gonna test this in meat. So let's go ahead and get this tested in some meat. First, I took a nice ribeye steak, salted it, peppered it on both sides, generously of course. Then, I placed the probe in the steak, and I made sure to set all the settings in the app to the correct doneness that I wanted the steak to come out to. Once I did that, I got it on a rack. Once it was on the rack, it was into an oven. Next, oil up a hot pan and get that steak nice and seared on both sides, seared up till it's nice and brown. Add a knob of butter and baste that steak till there's no tomorrow. After you're all done basting, you're gonna enjoy an incredible steak thanks to MEATER. Done to the perfect doneness. Thanks, MEATER. YFP out.